Meaning of figured.
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 Figured. The word figured can have various meanings depending on the context. As a past tense verb, it generally refers to the act of calculating or solving a problem. It can also mean understanding or coming to a conclusion about something, as in I finally figured out how to solve the puzzle. Alternatively, it can refer to a decorative pattern or design created by manipulating materials, such as weaving fabric or carving wood. In this sense, it is used as an adjective, for example, a figured silk dress.